In this video, I'm going to show you how you can copy any competitor website strategy automatically and start writing blogs by copying the strategy of your competitor without touching the website. It will automatically copy the strategy of the website and write the blogs on your website automatically. So this will be a smart auto blogging and smart AI auto blogging for you. So you need to follow the step-by-step guide, and I will give you all the instructions and the website URL with the help of which you can create this kind of automation that will copy the strategy of the competitor website and start blogging for you automatically. So let me get started. As a very first step, you need to go here on this website, mockcloud.ai, and here you just need to click on continue chatting. If you are not signed up, you can just go with your Google account and sign up here. After sign up, you will be here in the chat. In the chat, you need to write a prompt, clear prompt. For example, I want to copy the strategy of my competitor on any other website, and I want to get all the articles and based on their own strategy and the keywords, and write on my own website. As well as I will provide the login details of my website to this AI platform. This is actually an AI computer that works for you. I mean, it browses, it do things for you itself. So here I just write prompt here, and here I'm going to give this prompt. So this prompt I have provided into the description. In this prompt I have written that go on this website, and after having a look on this website, copy the strategy and SEO strategy of this website and write the blogs on my website. So it will take the login details of our website and then start writing. So basically what it will do, it will go here, for example, on the Al Jazeera news, for example, and for this they will take the deep look on the strategy of this website, SEO strategy, SEO schema markup and other things, and copy the complete strategy for our website, and then start writing the blogs based on the latest articles that are being published on this website. And then it will publish, write for us, generate the images and publish on our website. So it will automatically do for us. This is actually a virtual AI computer that works for us. So I will just hit enter. Now it's analyzing the Al Jazeera, for example, Al Jazeera news website, and then it will copy this strategy, and then it will study and learn the skill of the writing style of Al Jazeera news, and then it will take the login details from us and start writing on our WordPress blog. You can write for any other blog, for example, Google Blogs or any other platform you are using, and the WordPress is not necessary. You just need to provide the login details for writing the blogs. Now you can see it has been studied all the things I just gave you overview. The what is studied, style structure, article format, and then schema markup, SEO techniques, and as well as the 10 articles that they are going to write for us is this. So here I'm going to give the login details, what is going on to you. So we need to provide us the URL of the website and the username and password. So here I will go into my website, and here I will add a user to provide the login details to this AI platform. Here I will go into the user, click on add new, and here is the username. I just name it Z4, and this is the password. I just copy the password, and here in the subscriber I just make it administrator, because this needs administrator credentials to write the blogs. But if you give the editor, it will also do the posting else. And I just click on add user. So here, for example, they need the email, so I just give the email as well. So first name also added, and the second name. So here I just copy this password and click on add user, and here I just say password. For example, in the password I just paste the password that I have taken from this user, and here is the username Z4. So here I just write here username. This is the username, and here is the WP admin is the login URL. keep in mind you just need to give the login URL as well. So this is the login URL. Okay, now this will take the login details and start writing. Before that, we just need to go here in the plugins and click on add new. So here we need the Yoast plugin to be installed, because we have given the instructions. You need to write the SEO meta description for Yoast. So I will just click on install and activate this plugin. Now Yoast has been activated on our website. So we just need to give the login URL, username and password, and click on enter. So now the login details has been given to this platform, to this AI, and it will start writing for us automatically on our website. We don't need to touch. So it will write for us amazingly. Now this is completely read out the login details and confirm the login details. So I just need to give the confirmation, yes, write the blog for me. After giving this prompt, it will start writing for us. And this is the short overview that has given us. So we can make changes if you need here. For example, there is a 800 to 1200 words article is Al Jazeera style, but if you want to make it 1000 words or 3000 words, you can just modify. But for now, I just say write the blog. So it will start writing blog for us and post on our website. Now it's saying writing the first article right now. If you go on our prompt, so in the prompt I just written that we need 10 articles, latest article for now. So you can write here 100, 1000 and so on. So it will start writing amazingly for us. Now you can see it has been written the article, and this is the article URL, and here is the screenshot of the article, as well as the all confirmation has been done. So let me preview the article. I will go back into the website and click on posters and all posters, and let me see is it done or not. So this is the article that we are going to view. So here this is the image that has been very amazingly generated, and then this is the whole article including the internal and external links. And if you click on edit post, and we need to verify the alt text of the image that have been used in this article. Now you can see this is the image that has been used here, and here is the Yoast SEO. So if you see here, this is the green tag. I mean, this is amazing. I mean, you don't need to touch anything. It automatically added the focus keyphrase as well as the meta description. And if you click on SEO analysis, so here you can see these are 10 good results, and this is amazing. I mean, the green SEO post has been automatically posted on your WordPress without touching anything. They have used the headings, paragraphs, internal links, the bullet points, and so on, and also added the latest storage links that are yet not posted. You can see these are not posted yet, but in the future it will add the internal link for this. So this is a very amazing if you want to create an auto blog website or complete automate website with SEO strategy, or you want to copy any website strategy. So this website is very amazing that you can use and write the blogs, SEO things, and any other thing that you can use. Also you can connect the many connectors and the channels to this platform to help out. So this is a very amazing website or a platform that can automate your tasks with just a one prompt. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button.